Today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry is a word derived from three Greek words: trigonia, metron. Tri means three, gonia means angles, metrons is measurement. That is the measurement of triangle or triangle measure. Now see, triangle measure means triangle has how many parts? We know that triangle has 6 parts. It has 3 angles and 3 sides. So for 3 angles, and finding if one angle is known, one side is known, we can use trigonometry. But students, it is applicable to triangles which has at least one right angle. At least means only one right angle is possible for a triangle. So it is applicable for the triangle which has a right angle. So now you see, suppose this is a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Suppose we mark this side as a small b in front of capital B, small c in front of angle C, and A in front of capital A. So these are the sides ABC. Small ABC are the sides of the triangle and capital ABC are the angles of the triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. In this type of triangle only we can use trigonometric ratios. Now see, suppose we have another triangle, same way we can have, it is not necessary that we use the literal numbers ABC, we can use PQR, we can use MNO, anything we can use. Now suppose this angle is 90 degree and this angle, these are the two different angles. Suppose this angle we take as theta. I introduce a symbol theta, like A, B, C are there. In Hindi we have A, E, E. These are the alphabet we use. Now in Greek they use alpha, beta, gamma, delta like this. So one of the Greek alphabet we have here is theta. This theta is generally we use to represent angles. For representing angles we use this symbol that is called as THETA, theta. Okay, so suppose we write this angle as theta. Now and in this triangle PQR, how can we apply trigonometric ratios? How to find trigonometric ratios? So see, if this angle is 90 degree and this is the angle theta, so we are finding the trigonometric ratios for angle R. So first trigonometric ratio is sine of angle R, or we can say sine of angle R, we can write as sine theta, because this angle R we are representing as theta. So for sine theta we use this side, the side which is containing the angle, this is we called as base side. This is called as base, that is side adjacent to angle theta, and the side opposite to theta is called perpendicular side. Perpendicular side. And the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So again see, the side adjacent to angle theta is called, suppose we called as base, that is side adjacent to angle theta. The side in front of theta we called as perpendicular side, and the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. This you know, in right angle triangle we can use this longest side as hypotenuse. So for sine of angle theta we write as perpendicular side by hypotenuse. Okay, so P, this we represent by P and this is by H. It is actually PQ by RP. The sine of angle theta is perpendicular side by hypotenuse. So this is the first trigonometric ratio. The second trigonometric ratio is cosine. C-O-S-I-N-E. Cosine of angle R. So we write as cos theta. We write it as cos theta. That is equal to base by hypotenuse. That is B by H. Or we can write as RQ by RP. The third of it is tangent of angle R. That is tan theta. Tan theta, in short we write tangent of angle theta as tan theta, and for this we write as perpendicular by base. That in short we write P by B, and in according to side convention we can write as PQ by RQ. Then the fourth one is we write as secant of angle R. That is sec theta. Secant of angle theta is sec theta. That we write as it is the opposite of cos theta. Actually sec theta is opposite of cos theta. So as we know, cos theta is B by H. It is the reciprocal of cos theta. So H by B. H by B. And we have cotangent of angle R. That is cot theta. This is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we have tan theta is P by B. So reciprocal of P by B is B by P. And then we have the last is cosecant of angle R. That is cosec theta. This is the reciprocal of sin theta, and we have already learned sin theta is P by H. So its reciprocal is H by P. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we are using while solving the problems of trigonometry.